In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload spreadsheets inside of Pipedrive. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Pipedrive like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to go over and log into your account. From here, it should look something like this. As you can see, I'm on the startup guide, but you'll probably get into your dashboard if you log into your account. From here, you'll need to go over to the left-hand menu and go down to where it says More or 9. From here, you'll need to click Import Data, like so. And from here, you can see New Import Data or Import History, but you need to go over and click New Import. From here, you'll need to go over and see Import from Spreadsheet, and here you can get started. From here, you can see what you want to import, either people, organizations, leads, deals, activities, and product library. So let's just click people for now. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like inside of your spreadsheet. From here, you'll need to click next. And here you can upload your spreadsheet and click next. Once you have done that, you will go over to the mapping side where you can map every single person or people or product that you have imported into Pipedrive. Then from here, you can preview it and then finish it lastly. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments to explore, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!